Photo editing services are quickly growing in demand as we head into 2022. If you're a photo editor and you want to learn to make money online, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money on sites like Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork to help you grow your freelancing business. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $540 per week, possibly even $1,500 per week using Fiverr to grow your photo editing business. Let's get this money. Hey everyone, I'm Nick Newsome, and I've been a seller on Fiverr for almost 3 years now. I've quickly accelerated my business on Fiverr. It's been a great asset for me, a great business partner. And if you want to make money online, I think you should definitely get involved with Fiverr and use these sites to help you grow your freelancing business. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money on Fiverr as a photo editor. And if you want to learn how I've quickly accelerated my growth on Fiverr, I'm a level 2 seller on Fiverr, and my gigs have even been awarded the Fiverr's Choice, which is an award that you get when you're doing really well and you're getting a lot of repeat business. And I want to share with you the secrets that I've learned in order to get my gig to that level, to accelerate my growth. You can click the link in the description. It's my Fiverr marketing hacks for freelancers. Go ahead and check it out. Click the link in the description, and it's really going to help you take your online business, your freelancing business to the next level. Even if you're a complete beginner, it's all there. Go ahead and check it out. Link in the description. So in this video, I'm going to share with you exactly what you need to do on Fiverr to set up your gig, how much money you can make. Like I said, up to $1,000, possibly even $1,500. A week as a photo editor on Fiverr, and I'm going to show you exactly how, and I'm going to show you exact examples of that. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your gig, how others have set up their gigs on Fiverr, and how you can copy their exact strategy. And I'm also going to show you where you need to go if you want to learn more skills as a photo editor, even if you're a complete beginner. So right now, let's get into it. We'll go over to Fiverr, we'll get on my computer, and we'll start checking out and doing some investigating and seeing exactly how much money you can make and what you need to do to set up your gig. So we're looking for photo editing. Should be the first one. Yep, photo editing. So we're gonna go into photo editing and see what we got. So right up top, you can see this is exactly what I was talking about. This is Fiverr's Choice. These are the people you wanna look at to gauge if it makes sense for you to start selling on Fiverr. And these are the people that have had a lot of success, and you wanna kind of copy what they've done and what they have here for you to look at. All right. Now, I don't mean copy 100%, but kind of use the strategies that you see here and use it for your own gig. So first of all, let's see how much money you can make. We have different gigs here, starting at $20, starting at $25, starting at $50, and $105. Now, there's different levels of sellers. This one is a pro verified, meaning they basically have to prove to Fiverr that they are like a photo editing business, like a legit business. And that's a different level. It's not what we're really going to cover here. What we're going to cover here are the top rated sellers and also the level 2 sellers. Why is this? Well, because this is how everybody gets started. If you're starting out as a freelancer, this is where you're pretty much gonna start. You're gonna start out as a new seller on Fiverr, but you'll quickly, if you follow the strategies here and you follow the strategies in my checklist down below, you're gonna quickly advance and reach level 1 and then level 2, and then we're gonna work on becoming a top rated seller, which I am a level 2 seller and I'm almost a top rated seller, so just a little bit longer now, and I can't wait to share that success with you. But right now, let's get in and see how much money you can actually make. So this is the first one. So he's got one order. You can always check to see, they have one order in the queue, 501 jobs total that they've completed on Fiverr with one order in the queue. So potentially $20 they could earn, 1 day delivery time. Let's see, they have 3 packages. There's 3 packages that you can have as when you put your gig on Fiverr. Standard is $40, that's his middle package, and then the premium is $60. So potentially anywhere from $60 at the high end to $20 on the low end. But 3 days delivery for the $60. So, however many he could do in that period of time is how much money they can make. Typically everybody's working 5 days, so you could probably squeeze in, per week. If you did one every day, that's $60 per day times 5, so you're looking at like $300. But that's hypothetical. Let's check out some more. So this is another level 2 seller, and okay, now this one's doing a little bit better. 9 orders in the queue, 491 total jobs done, and 3 different packages. So the silver package is his basic, $25. Pretty simple photo manipulation and editing, background removal or changing, retouching. So 2 days delivery time, 9 orders in the queue. Standard is $40, 2 days delivery time again. And then the premium is $60 at 2 days delivery time. Now, if we break out the the calculator, and we see how much money that actually equals, that's potentially $540 on the high end. Now, if you look at that, that's 2 days delivery time. So they could probably squeeze in, you got 9 orders and 2 days delivery time. So in 2 days, it's gonna make $540. Now, I mean, you could probably double that in a week, right? Because that's only 2 days delivery time. So, I mean, and that's 9 orders in the queue. We don't know what they've been doing in the past 2 days, or we don't know what they're gonna do in the next 2 days. But that's $540 proven in the cart right now on the high end, and on the low end, the basic was $25 times 9. So let's clear this out, and 9 times 25 equals 225. So 225 on the low end, 540 on the high end in 2 days, right? So most of us work 5 days, like I was saying, and in that 5 days, you know, potentially could be, you know, $1,000 plus. Now, Fiverr is not going to be your only source of income, and this is what I'm saying. Like, you need to build up these assets, and it takes a little time. So that's why I suggest that you get started now. You have to get in the game. If you don't get in the game, you're going to wait and sit on the sidelines and watch everyone else make money. People are like, oh, it's too saturated, I can't get in there. No, you can get in there, and the sooner you get in there and start building your gigs, the better. And like I said, get my Fiverr marketing hacks down below in the description. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to help grow your business on Fiverr as a freelancer, okay? I'm gonna sit there with you. I'm gonna be your partner. It's totally free. I'm gonna help you just grow your business. So make sure you get the checklist down below, and let's just keep moving though. Let's keep moving. So with that being said, so there's some potential right there. Let's check out one more. The top rated seller, he's got one order. I don't know why he only has one, but it's $50. And then 2 orders in the queue. He's done a total of 118. I don't know why it keeps doing that. A total of 118 jobs. And potentially he's looking at $100. Now, to reach top rated seller, you have to sell about $20,000 in your total career there on Fiverr. So he's probably has some other skills that he's using on Fiverr and making a lot more money. But that's not what we're focusing on this video. We're just focusing on how much money you can potentially make as a photo editor, and how to set up your gig, and then also how you can learn the skills. And I'm gonna show you why Fiverr is the best place to learn new skills if you wanna grow your business. So right now, but let's go back to the guy that has 9 in order, because I think this is the one you wanna copy. This is the one you wanna mimic and copy. Seems pretty simple, just simple retouches. And then right here, you're gonna have an about this gig section where you're gonna put in your description. And you know, you just kind of want to follow the design, keep it simple, and follow what this person has for photo editing. So I'm here to provide services for photo manipulation, retouch, graphic designer, professional editing and manipulation, okay? So, and then they also have customer satisfaction is the most important for business, so customer satisfaction is my first priority. Then you can see all the services that they provide. You definitely want to put this, you know, like I said, just copy the basic structure here, right? Don't copy word for word, like put your own touch on it, but make it about them. You really just want to talk to the customer and say, hey, this is what I'm going to give you. This is what you're going to get. This is what you can expect. So when they come to read it, you know, you want to do whatever you can to encourage them to click on the green button. And a nice little sign off here. You know, if you have any questions, feel free to contact me via Fiverr inbox, which I think is super important, right? That comment right there, you know, contact me. If you have any questions, reach out. Because the best thing that you want to do is close the distance between you and the buyer. One of my mentors, Grant Cardone, who is a sales trainer, he says that what you want to do when you're growing your business is you want to close the distance between you and the money. So the buyer has the money, and here's you over here. When you open communication, like on the Fiverr inbox, you're going to close the distance, right? You have no communication, you're out here, you start communicating, you're here. Now you've closed the distance between you and the money, and the next step is to you know, start doing a deal, have them give you the money, you can start doing your work and helping them in their business. By the way, if you're getting any value out of this video, go ahead and smash up that like button. It lets the YouTube algorithm know that you like this video and you want to see more like it. And it also lets me know that you like this video and that I should put out more videos like this covering how to make money on Fiverr so you can grow your freelancing business. All right, let's get back into it. So with that being said, you know, the next thing to learn, you know, that is such a good tip. Okay, that's such a good tip. But the next thing to learn is like, maybe you don't have all the skills you need, or maybe you want to enhance your skills. I'm always doing the trainings. I'm always going back into my trainings and relearning and reiterating, and repetition. Repetition is so important as you're building yourself and building your business, you know, I'm sure you can attest to that. The more repetition you do, the better you become at something. You can't just do something once and be good, all right? You wanna be a master, an expert. And so we train, we constantly train. A true professional constantly trains again and again and again. So with that being said, I wanna show you why Fiverr is definitely the best place that you wanna learn any new skills. And I'm gonna show you exactly why right now. But first, let's check out what Fiverr has to offer. I think if we go down to the bottom here, we'll have Fiverr Learn. So we want to go to Fiverr Learn and we want to check out what they have. So Fiverr has a bunch of courses here. I'm going to go through this with you, but right now we're talking graphic design, right? Photo editing is a graphic design tool. Here we go, photo manipulation in Adobe Photoshop. So let's check this one out. There's a whole bunch of other courses too that you can check out. Link is in the description. If you use my link, it's an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission if you purchase course through my link. I would much appreciate it, just so you know. So, but that's not why I'm saying Fiverr is the best gig, the best way to learn any new skills on Fiverr. The reason that I'm saying it is because, number one, you're gonna get a 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, so if you're not satisfied at all, you're gonna get a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's super simple. The next thing is you're actually learning from hand-vetted instructors, experts in the field, people that have actually have a freelancing or, you know, professional business as a photo editor. So that's really great to learn from people that actually know what they're doing and how to deal with customers. And then the last thing, which I think is probably one of the best, is that you're gonna get this badge. So they're not showing the badge right there, but you will get a badge that gets attached to your gig. So when buyers come to look at your profile, at your gig, they're gonna see the badge. They're gonna see that you've taken the course. They're gonna see that you're an expert and you know what you're doing. So that's gonna be huge because they don't know you yet, but if they see that badge, it's gonna help your gig stand out from other gigs, okay? So it's like, yeah, it's $42, but you're investing this money into your business. You're basically buying the badge, so to speak, right? That's an extra badge on your gigs. And for $42 over the lifetime of your business on Fiverr, it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. And you know, that alone is worth taking the course. Even if you think you know everything, like just take a look and see what you get here, because they're gonna give you a lot. I guarantee there'll be stuff in here that you don't even know. And you can check it out. You can see everything that you're gonna get here. Brief and research, you know, they're gonna basically teach you how to manage your customers, how to manage your freelancing customers here on Fiverr or outside of Fiverr. You know, chapter 3, early production, chapter 4, base compositing, lights, shadows, and colors. You know, there's just so much here. We're not gonna get into this. This is not like what I wanna get into. So you can just check it out for yourself. But there's, you know, what's included: unlimited access, 30-day money-back guarantee, exercises and quizzes, closed captions, suitable for mobile or desktop, and a badge to showcase your expertise. Most important, upon completion, right? They're gonna give you that badge on Fiverr. I think it's so great. There's reviews down here. They have 104 reviews. Definitely come check these out if you have any questions. And you know, you can go from there. And then there's also a preview. Guys, if you have any questions or if there's something I haven't covered in this video, go ahead and put that in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer that just as soon as I can. Also, check out these other videos over here. I lay out some more tips and strategies of how to make money on Fiverr. And if not, I'll just see you on the next video. Peace.